number 7, Ketun, number 9, Bunay, number 18, Vargas.
Yeah.
Kisah first fight. Ah,
Alig. Alig dia kamu guna ambuk. Yay! Christchurch and Umaru.
Time out, NFC Crush Charts.
Ilan ni ka minute ba? 5, 15, I think. 15, pila ka quarter? Dua. Sulod 5. Sulod 5. Meron mag-init na, mag-init.
Back to the ball game.
Ay, babay sa ito.
Okay. We would like to
Children.
address the rules here to move or friends to be in this area. Please,
Ay.
if you want to eat, do that kitchen. Thank you. Reminders.
Here we go, number 9, dribbling the ball. Number 9 looking for pass. Pass to number 23, 23 again the shot. Rebound by number. Get for Eagles, right here. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 34. 33, dribbling the ball. Shot! There's the foul there. Who's back? Number 9. Oh, Vice Chair.
That's one.
Number 9, first personal foul. 33. First row. No. Second row.
Children. No.
Good for one. Alright. Number 6, para dribbling the ball. Looking. Pass to number 12. Number 12 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 6. Again. Loose ball by number 6. Sisters, please guided by our kids not to enter in the court. Please. Thank you. 11. 11 pass to number 16. Good pass. First attack. No. Once again for the rebound. 23. Oh, CFC. Number 98, dribbling the ball. Looking for pass. Attempt to shot number 19. No ball. Rebound by number 23. 23 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. Number 9 again. Running. Pass to number 11. What you doing, number 11?
I'm out.
Time out! Time out, balo!
Live ball yun daw.
Sige, time out na lang.
Ilaw mo lang, no?
Oh, cheerer, cheerer! Nahinay lang.
Ano talaga dapat? Ano? Bigyan sa dapat. Dad. So dapat ang parintan pagkawan mo. Are. Kita bro. Are.
Team Fox, naging 2 fouls.
Balik ka.
Adeline, 1 foul. Back to the ball game. Safety Clippers ball.
Lima.
Again, number 6. Pass to number 12. Number 6. Number 6. To number 9. Number 9 pass to number 19. 19 attempt to shot. Good from out. Number 19. Ayan. 21. Bato de la Rosa. Pass to number 9. Number 2. Alright. Bakuwa. Pass to number 9. Number 9 looking for pass. Number 12 to number 11 again. 11. Gonzalez to one over. Rebound to number 12. Questions. Dribbling the ball. Again looking for pass. Again the shot. No. Rebound by number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 12, Magkumaw to 3 number, rebound by number 12. Again, number 19, dribbling the ball. Number 19. Pass to number 6. Number 6 to number 9 to, yes. Number 6, attempt. Dribbling, attempt. Yes. Good. Number 9. Pass to number 12. Magkumaw. Rebound by number 6. Dribbling the ball. Oh. Good for two. Number 6. Number 9. Pass to number 21. Bato for 3. Number. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 21. 21. Good for 2 points. Number 19. Good for 3 points. Number 19. Pass to Gonzalez. Number 11. 11. Number 19. 19. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 12. Number 12 to intercept by number 9. Pass to number 21. Jumper. Attempt the shot.
Pinambakan niya nila. Kapro lang eh. Buti nila ng amin.
Alright.
Bumasa sa burdong. Hindi eh.
There's the time. There's the chance. Remember guys. Number 9 to number 19. Number 6, sorry. Number 19 for 3. Rebound for number 9. Pass. Number 2 to 19. Eric again pass to number 6. 19. Looking for pass. Return to number 6. Again. There's a shot of violation. Committed by number 6.
Cheryl! Cheryl!
Number 9, Alpay Kaki, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 12, Makulao. Again, number 9, attempt the shot. Oh, goal. Rebound by number 2. Alright. Number 12, dribbling the ball. And again, number 9. Good ball. Alright.
Cheryl!
Number 6.
Walang video sa ba?
Ups. There's a result.
Pangalan niya? Si sino? Si Jason Gonzalez.
Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 2. Number 2 to 6.
May tawag.
3 seconds violation. Timeout for Christchurch.
Cheryl! Cheryl! Cheryl!
Palit sapatos sa sapatos pala. Sa sapatos.
Then, last,
Benet Hubeg.
Mati! 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 Say hello! Hello, guys!
Quarter yan ha.
Sika na, kuwan mo na, siyakan na.
Kaya yan.
wala nang hapon yun. Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Wala pa. O, balik ka. Kami ka na kasi yung first pa yun. Ha? Di ba? Tapos na. Tapos na yung first. Ano na yan? Torres, Baris. 3 minutes to race.
Say lang.
Stop number.
Automatic.
Hindi, automatic na. So, halfway na halfway. Shout out!
Angkop.
Shout out, Angkop! New Zealand. You know? Oh, back to the booking.
Okay, back to the full game. Overall ball.
The final period. For the final half. For the final half.
For the final half.
Pakita lang ba?
Ba't hindi nga ginitahan lang?
Demonyo. Ito ah. Oh. Ako player. Tandaan. 89.
Brothers and sisters from the South Canterbury, welcome once again here in Waimate for our 1D CFC 1D 2025. Welcome!
Okay, we have a rock and roll for the outline. Listen, everyone. Woo! Magandang araw na Chile. Remember, for those tickets that there is a name, those silver, so we will give also the prize. For those who are here, we give the prize. Kasi yung iba, hindi nakapunta. Pero yung nakita, nandito naman siya ang mag-receive. Okay? Okay. Ready? Angkop New Zealand! The number 3, Rimel. Asbundol. Okay. Aha. Okay. Abuenas tayo, abuenas. Alright. Abuenas tayo, abuenas. Yun. Yun. Isa pa.
Sure!
Ayun ka. Okay. Next. Ito.
Yan, nakalive naman. Nakalive naman.
Number. Again, blue. Kim Vargas.
Bargas!
025.
Oh, Maro!
Thank you, Sinis. Thank you for the support, Tom Marco. Yes. All right. Okay, go. Continue.
Puro ticket yun ah. Junel Asburton, ticket yun yun ah.
Okay, once again, congratulations for the winners. Number 23, for 3 points. Number 19, drinking the ball. Number 19, looking for pass. Pass to number... Hey, this is coming by your nature. Looking for number... Wow.
13-23.
13-23, Timor for Westford. Number 23, Taan. Yes. There's a number 9. Number 18, drinking the ball. Drinking the ball, attempt to shot. Good for 2 points for number 18. And number
Cheering!
30, drinking the ball. Pass to number 23. Back to 30. Number 3, attempt to shot. No good. Rebound by number 19, dribbling the ball. All to the way. There's a foul there. Committed by number 3, sir.
Second person.
Second personal foul, number 30. For number 19, first throw. Good. 1 point. And here's for the rebound of number 92. Dang-da-da-dang. Good for the second free throw. Now number 89. Attack to shot. Good for couple number 89. Once again, brothers and sisters from all South Category, welcome here in Waimai for our CFC Open League basketball tournament. Number 12 to number 19, 19, attack to shot. Good for 3 points, number 19. Again, for our runners for Oral 23, pass to number 3, dribbling the ball, pass to number 13, 30 for 3, no good, rebound by number 12, pass to number 4, dribbling the ball, looking for pass to the number 19, 19 to number 9, 9 to number 7, intercept, and pass to number 12, pass to number 23. Again, 23 to number 30, 30. Again, 23, good for 12 points.
Ang chairman, wala.
Old Christ. Number 18, pass to number 4. Number 4 dribbling, attempt to shot. No good. Rebound. That's the right ball out there. Time out for Omar. Once again, for our brother and sister who got the prizes, thank you for contributing our tips and goals. Thank you for your support, brothers and sisters. And to our sponsors, may God bless you.
Personal foul, Roosters, Nagi, 2 fouls, Aplasa, 1 foul. Buhokaro, number 30, Kuin, 2 fouls. Gonzales, 1 foul. Back to the ball game.
Alright, welcome, ladies and gents.
White.
We would like to thank all the sponsors, all the contributors, and all the people around here gathered here in this gym for your support for that goals. Thank you so much, bro, and sincerely God bless you as well. Again, once again, number 89, dribbling and attempt the shot. Then rebound by number 9. Number 9, attempt the shot. No good. Back. Intercept by number 19, dribbling the ball. Number 19. Oh! Foul counted! Foul by number 11, Gonzales. Gonzales, no personal foul.
Pakitingin mo siya. Tawagan ko muna.
Number 19. One shot, good.
Alright, thank you very much po sa ating mga sponsor at Liday Services at sa Parico Cars. Thank you very much Parico Cars. Tangkilikin po natin ang Parico Cars at sa kay Don Tracos po. Maraming salamat po sa Litson.
Number 4, turning the ball. Looking for pass. Intercept by number 11. Let's go, number 12. Sorry. Pass to number. Intercept by number 11. Pass to this one. Number 11. 89. Number 19. Number 90. Number 90, 31. And pass to number 12, number 12, attempt the shot.
Atin po, meron po tayong drone.
There's a goal out there.
Kaya wala pong, makikita po talaga yung mga foul kasi sa drone, marireview natin ang foul.
Number 89, pass to number 31, 34, attempt the shot.
Yes po, may isa, Mardino. 3 points. Yan po ay
Number 7, pass to number 4, attempt the shot. No good. The ball don't have power. Cannot be reached. Number 9. Number 9, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24. Attempt the shot. But no good. Then by number 7 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 12. Number 12 to number 7. Number 7 attempt the shot. No good. Number 9 dribbling the ball again. Number 9 dribbling the ball.
Time out.
Harbor Western. Once again, 9.
Ligay.
Back to the rookie. Omar. Both teams, meron one timeout each.
Isa na lang.
Get going, get going.
Malapit na.
11 point Cuba. 19. 19. Nakalaan ng bola. 19. Pass to number 6. Number 6 po bola. Pass from number 6. Number 9. Pass to 21.
Atay mo.
Timeout. Omaro.
Ano man ang good.
Shot 2-7.
Once again, brothers and sisters, for our major sponsors, we would like to thank Don Ramos, Ariel Ocon and family, Food and Services, Deborah's Green, and Paricoy Cars. Thank you, bro and sis, for your support of this league. And back to the home game! Once again, I hope that you find so well and be happy for our activities this day. On the free through line, Jomar, number 21 of overall.
Last shot, last shot.
Dasha.
Jumar, Jumar!
Number 9, pass to number 19, enter dribbling the ball. Number 19, pass to number 6. Number 6, attempt the shot. Number rebound by number 89. At 30 dribbling the ball. Attempt. Pass to Jomar. Good for top points. Oh, number 41 by Omar. Number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 6. Number 6, attempt the shot. Good. For 4 points. Number 6. Yeah. 30. Number 90, rebound. Number 90. Number 90, pass to number 6. Foul number 3. Official score 39 and 27 in favor of Christ Church. Number 90. 2. Number 90, good for the boys. 23. Pass the ball. 23 attempt the shot. No good. Number 9, pass. Number 90. Alright, number 6. Back to number 19, pass to number 9. Number 9, attempt the shot. No good. Rebound by number 89, pass to number 23. 23. Good for 3 points, number 23. 11 points up. Alright? 4 seconds. Number 6. Once again, congratulations to our brothers of Christ Church for winning this competition.
Ilipin na lang eh.
Guys,
Bro, ilipin na lang sana.
thank you once again. Thank you once again for our brothers and sisters coming from Christ Church and Omaro.
5 minutes.
Timaro.
5 minutes na lang.
Alright.
Congratulations, Maro.
Alright.